A website definitely isn't a set it and forget it kind of thing. It is a living and vibrant asset. If you want your website to be good, it needs ongoing care to keep it fast and secure. Now, let me explain why monthly maintenance is an absolute must. Performance is profits. A slow loading page isn't just irritating, it is costly. Regular updates and speed tests keep your site in great shape and your visitors happy. Security is not optional. Hackers don't sleep. Monthly maintenance guarantees that your software and databases are all up to date and secure, thus protecting your business and your customers. Stay fresh, stay found. Old content and broken links make Google and your customers think that you are not active. Regular checkups allow you to be always relevant, indexed, and credible. Your website is your hardworking employee 24/7, but only if you keep it that way. At Not Just Website, we don't just construct your site. We also make sure it performs like your best employee.